Welcome to Raghava Creations. Maths is easy. Do subscribe our channel. Let's learn maths in an easy and interesting way. Hello students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn about an interesting chapter, Algebra, which is chapter 2 of your term 1, exercise 2.1. To make it very simple for you, what is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with variables and numbers. So variables are nothing but is a letter or symbol that represents an unknown quantity. So here we use alphabets, small letters A to Z as a variable. And what is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression contains at least one variable and does not contain an equal sign. So algebraic expression has a variable. Here it is two expressions are given, a variable and a number. So it can be even a combined one. 3T also can be there, a variable and a number combined. So now we are going to go into exercise 2.1, sum number 1. Fill in the blanks. The letter A, B, C to Z are used to represent. They are called as variables. The algebraic statement of f decreased by 5. So f decreased by 5. We know decreased means we use the sign minus, the negative subtraction operation. So 5 decreased by 5. So f decreased by 5 is f minus 5. An algebraic statement of s divided by 5. S divided by 5. If A's age is n years old now, 7 years ago A's age was. So right now if A's age is n, 7 years ago, that is 7 years before, what would be the age? N present age minus 7 will give you the age before 7 years. If P minus 5 gives 12, then P is equals to. Now substitute, write P minus 5 is equals to 12. So now P is equals to, take 5 to that side of equal to sign becomes plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. So the value of P is 17. Say true or false. The length of part B in the pencil shown is A minus 6. It is actually 6 minus A. If the cost of an apple is X and the cost of a banana is 5, then the total cost of fruits is X plus 5. So cost of apple is X and banana is 5. So total cost is X plus 5. So it is true. 10 more than 3 times C is. 10 more than 3 times C. 3 times C is 3C. 10 more is 10 plus. So here the statement is 10 plus 3C and not 10C plus 3. So it is false. If the cost of 10 rice bags is T, then the cost of 1 rice bag is T by 10. So cost of 10 rice bags is T and cost of 1 is T by 10. It is true. The product of Q and 20 is 20Q. It is true. 20 into Q can be written as 20Q. Draw the next pattern and complete the table. Now this is the first pattern. Second pattern has 2. Third pattern has 3. So the next pattern is surely 4. And then it's going to be 5. The reason is the table was given with first pattern, second pattern, third pattern. So the fourth pattern, you have to write the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. And circles are also 4. And triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles are there. And in the fifth pattern, you have 5 squares, 5 circles, and 10 triangles. Arivaragan is 30 years younger to his father. Write Arivaragan's age in terms of father's age. So Arivaragan is 30 years younger to his father. Write Arivaragan's age in terms of his father's age. So since Arivaragan is 30 years, so his age will be, let the father's age be n. So Arivaragan's age is n minus 30 because he is 30 years younger to his father. And his father's age is n, so it's n minus 30. So if U is an even number, how would you represent the next even number and the previous even number? U is an even number. Next even number is, for every even number, you add 2 to it. So U plus 2 previous even number. Express the following verbal statements to algebraic statements. T is added to 100. So added, so you use the sign plus. T plus 100. 4 times Q. So you can write it as 4Q or 4 into Q. 4 less to 9 times Y. So 9Y minus 4. 9 times Y, 4 less to it, so minus 4. Express the following algebraic statements to verbal statements. X divided by 3. So you can write it like that itself. X divided by 3. 11 plus 10x. So you can write it as 11 added to 10 times x. 11 added to 10 times. 10x can be written as 10 times x. 70s. 70 times s or product of 7 and s. The teacher asked two students to write the algebraic statement to the verbal statement 8 more than a number. Vetri wrote 8 plus x and Marin wrote 8x, whose answer is correct. So let the number be 8 more than x is 8 plus x. So the number is taken as unknown x. So Vetri wrote 8 plus x and Marin wrote 8x. So Vetri gave the correct answer. Answer the following questions. If G is equals to 300, what is the value of G minus 1 and G plus 1? G minus 1 is 300 minus 1, 299, and G plus 1 is 300 plus 1, which is 301. What is the value of S if 2S minus 6 gives 30? So 2S minus 6 is 30. So 2S is take 6 that side, gives you plus sign. 30 plus 6 is 30x. S is equals to 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Complete the table and find the value of k, for which k by 3 gives 5. So if k by 3 is 5, k is equals to 5 into 3, which is 15. So you have the table 3, 1, 6, 2. So k 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4, 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. For which k by 3 gives 5. So k is equals to 15. Let's move on to the objectives. Variables means that the best option is can take different values. The number of days in a week in W weeks is. We know that the number of days in a week is 7. So in W weeks, so it is 7W. 7 days into weeks will give you the total number of days. The value of x in the circle, you can see when you look at the circle, you will know you have 2, you have 4, you have 7, you have 11, you have 16. So let's find what is the value in the circle. So here you have the answer to be 22 because 2, 4, 7, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22. The value of y in y plus 7 is equals to 7, 13. So y plus 7 is 13. So y is equals to 13 minus 7, which is 6. 6 less to n gives 8 is represented as 6 less to n. So n minus 6 is equals to 8. There we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching Raghava Creation Maths